Hello everyone. We are going to present about the three cybersecurity tools. We are three members in our group: Kamal, Rudharmani, and Pravina. Like importance of cybersecurity in IT field in these days. There are different malwares, hackers, and viruses in there, and so these type of security tools we can use: firewall, antivirus software, PKI services, penetration testing tools, and staff training. These things we can by applying these methods we can secure our system. And there are three tools we are going to present about. That is MSFC, MISP, and WEKA. MSFC is the Metasploit framework, and it's a very powerful penetration testing tool used by hacker as well as ethical as well as cyber criminal hackers. And this one is open source tool. It is easily customized, and most of the operating system can support this one. MISP is the a threat detection tool, and we can prevent the system by knowing the attacks and threats by using MISP. And WEKA is the powerful tool in the field of machine learning. It can do the data analysis, data mining, to find out the different vulnerabilities, finding and analysis of those. Now we are going to demonstrate about different tool. I'm going to demonstrate about WEKA tool. WEKA is the machine learning tool. Here is one of the training set. We are going to analyze the data of this one data set. WEKA has a simple, easy to use GUI. We can explore from the WEKA tool. Explorer gives us the explore about the data. Here are other tab which are not working. Before we can put the data set file. Now we are going to explore one of the data sets which I and file is CSV file. So I put CSV data training set. There is now after including that one data set inside, they're going to classify the data. For classify, we can use random tree view with percentage split of 70%, and we are selecting norm. I'll start. Now it shows the percentage of like it gives the summary of the result, where we can see correctly classified instances are 99.8% and incorrectly 0 point something. This means most of the data is purely classified, and this one confusion matrix gives us that the data are misclassified or not. And this ABCD gives us the attributes by which we classified the data. And other than the diagonal element should be 0, and diagonal element are non-zero also. If other than the diagonal element are not 0, that means data are misclassified. Like we can see here, some data are misclassified, so the percentage of incorrectly classification of instances is some little bit. And we can do little bit cluster also by selecting any type of cluster. We can do clustering also. There is the result of clustering, which can give like in different instances data should be clustered. And there is other feature of this tool also. Like this, we can do different things. We can do we can show the attributes of data set also. And at last, this is the visualization of the result of attributes as well as data set, which can which is the broad feature of WEKA tool. Now another tool will present by my friend. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Probina and I will be presenting Metasploit and MSP. So for Metasploit, our target computer is Windows XP whose IP is 192.168.0.44. So here we will be using the GUI version of Metasploit for pen testing. And here it goes. So my project name will be 5 and target system IP is 44. So I'll start scan. So there are different tab available here, which is the different kind of services it has. So while it is running, I'll show you the MISP. So for MISP, we can download it from their given website. So according to our assignment, it is only our task is to only install it. So we'll download from here. We can download from the GitHub as well. And then after we'll install it in our virtual machine and open it in our virtual machine. Click on start. So the login username will be MISP and the password is ass.ord 1234. In this way we can log into MISP. So this is all our requirement for our assignment installing the tool. Now when it is completed, we can see the overview from here. It shows the system is Windows XP and the running services, and it one which is discovered, 5 services and 1 vulnerability. After clicking that, we can see the present vulnerability in the Windows XP, which is SMB. This is the vulnerability of sharing printer and file. So this way we can scan and we can even exploit that system by clicking here. Now next will be done by my friend Rudar. Thank you.
My name is Rudramani, and I'm here. I will use the MSFC tool, which is used for the vulnerability scanning, report scanning. Okay. Actually, this tool is used for the particular vulnerability findings of code, so it's taking a little bit time. This command is actually for the file sharing to find the file sharing vulnerability. So as I have already installed the Windows XP, and we will check in that. So as you can see, this is the IP address of my Windows XP. So I'll enter this IP address over there to check the vulnerability. As you can see, the scanning has been completed, and the result is here. So no vulnerability found here. So thanks. I'm stopping my screen share.